Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today our topic is air conditioning repair of Weatherford. So we will discuss here about air conditioning repairing in Weatherford. If you are looking for air conditioning repair services in Weatherford, Texas, you may want to try contacting local HVAC. It means heating, ventilation and air conditioning contractors in the area. Here are some options. First option is Weatherford AC and Heating. This company provides air conditioning repair, maintenance and installation services in Weatherford and surrounding areas. You can contact them by phone at 817-550-5066 or visit their website at weatherfordheating.com. Number 2, Brown Services Company. Brown Service Company offers air conditioning repair and maintenance services in Weatherford and the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. You can call them at 817-284-9204 or visit their website at brownservices.com. Number 3, Metro Express Services. Metro Express Services provides air conditioning repairs, installation and maintenance services in Weatherford and the greater Dallas-Fort Worth area. You can contact them by phone at 817-516-0700 or visit their website at metroexpresservice.com. It is good idea to get quotes from multiple companies and compare their services and prices before making a decision. Additionally, be sure to check their reviews and ratings on sites like Yelp and Google to ensure you are working with a reputable company. If you own an air conditioning system in Weatherford, Texas, there are some important things you should to do. So ensure it runs efficiently and lasts longer. Here are some tips. These tips will help you so much. So please focus on these tips. First tip is change the air filter regularly. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow and make your air conditioning system work harder, which can increases energy consumption and shorten its lifespan. Check the filter once a month and replace it every 1 to 3 months depending on usage. Second, schedule regular maintenance. Professional maintenance can help identify small issues before they become major problems and improve the efficiency and lifespan of your air conditioning system. Schedule a tune up with a licensed HVAC contractor at least once a year. Third, keep the outdoor unit clear. Make sure the outdoor unit of your air conditioning system is free of debris, plants and other obstructions that can restrict airflow and reduce efficiency. Trim back and bushes or trees that are encroaching on the unit. 4, use a programmable thermostat. A programmable thermostat can help you save energy and money by automatically adjusting the temperature based on your schedule and preference. Set it to turn off or reduce the temperature when you are away from home or sleeping. 5, seal air leaks. Air leaks around doors, windows and other openings can let it warm air and make your air conditioning system work harder. Seal any gaps with wall or weather stripping to improve energy efficiency. By following these tips, you can help extend the life of your air conditioning system, reduce energy consumption and save money utility bills. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you get so much information about air conditioning repair Weatherford from our videos. If you like our videos, so keep watching our channel and supporting us with subscribe our channel and like, share. Thank you so much.